Okay, so those are the coil spring isolators. They go at the top. I'll show you where those go, but there's a 26-year-old isolator. Here's a brand new one. So I got the spring out, and that isolator goes right there. And then I have a bump stop that'll go in here, and then I gotta get the spring back on. It was hard getting it off of here, so you know, I've tried to drop the axle and do all the fun stuff. I've got some things disconnected. There's a lot of jack stands holding everything up, but that's where we're at. So we're going to get the coil spring soft thing, I don't know what you call that exactly, and it'll go back in, and then I'm going to try to do the other side.